I figured it was time to dust off this good old-fashioned bar with a quickie. Today's cocktail on Quickly is called the U.N.I. This is a cocktail inspired by the song by Ed Sheeran, as well as the subject matter of the song, because it was a creative output that I was using to work on some stuff. Let's talk about the ingredients. To make this cocktail, you will need Bacardi Spiced Rum, vanilla syrup, lime juice, Angostura Bitters, and Strawberry-Infused Campari. Hang on to the strawberries after you make this. People will be using those as the garnish for the drink. This is very simply 1,000 grams of strawberry with a cup of Campari steeped into it. That's actually about 1,250 grams, so pretty close in measurement. 24 hours in the fridge, and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and shake it up. We will start with 1 dash of Angostura Bitters. We'll come behind that with half an ounce of vanilla syrup. Next we'll add half an ounce of Strawberry-Infused Campari. Next we'll add 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And finally 1.5 ounces of our Bacardi Spiced Rum. So all of our ingredients, let's grab some ice to shake that up. We will cap that up, tap that down, and give that a shake for 10 to 15 seconds to chill and combine. For serving, I'm going to grab this chilled single rocks glass out of my freezer, fill that up with smaller ice, and then we will double strain our cocktail over top. For a garnish, we're going to take a cocktail pick and some strawberries, frozen, infused, or otherwise. Spear those on the pick and put those on top, like so. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the U.N.I. Cilantro. Spicy, sweet, zesty, just a little bit of bitterness. Cheers.